Nuclear fusion is a phenomenon whereby the nuclei of two individual atoms become joined and remain fixed as a single entity. It is usually accompanied by the release of a large amount of energy. Once joined, they become a new element, very difficult to separate and with different characteristics than the two individual atoms it comprises. If the right two atoms encounter each other under the right circumstances, it will happen very quickly. The light and the warmth given off by nuclear fusion can be seen from millions of miles away. That's how our sun keeps our planet warm and bright. If it didn't, we wouldn't be here. We depend on it. We need these two atoms to find each other. On the sun, this is happening all the time. On Earth, it is rarer, but it is no less warm or bright or essential here than it is there. Kaitie and Russell have asked everyone here today to share the warmth and the happiness they have found in finding each other. It is their hope that their union sets off a chain reaction, spreading love and happiness through their friends and family for many years to come. They share the same sense of adventure and humor, the same love of the outdoors and of Shadow Lake, and the same unfailing, unflinching support for each other and for the people around them.
Kaitie, I take you as you are.
Russell, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
I promise from this day forward.
I promise from this day forward.
To be grateful for our love and our life.
To be generous with my time, energy, and affection.
To be patient with you.
Patient with you and with myself.
Fill our lives with adventure and our home with laughter.
To encourage you to grow as an individual and to inspire you to do so. These things I pledge before you, our friends, and our family.
Russell, you take Kaitie to be your wife.
I do.
Kaitie, you take Russell to be your husband.
I do.
I've known Russell since we were both 9 years old. I've known Kaitie for only a few years, but in that time it's become very clear to me how they have fit their lives and personalities together like two pieces of a puzzle. Each of their differences, similarities, and complementarities supplemented by a lot of love, respect, and devotion. And I think I speak for everyone here today when I say that I can only expect in the future that bond will continue to strengthen, as together they become something greater than the sum of their parts.